Hello and greetings. Welcome to earGROUND, New Voices Amplified, the KOMBI station. Yes, our last artist is the finest. She's amazing. She plays the Mbira in such an amazing way. And she's been making some beautiful music. And I feel so much honored to actually get a chance to speak to you. Her name is Chipo Muchegwa. Hello, Chipo.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm okay.
Great. The first time that I heard your music was when you dropped the video earlier this year. And I was super proud of it. And since then, I've been a big fan of your music. I follow your music. But take us back. You grew up in Mhako. What did this journey, music journey?
Okay, I've always wanted to be in music. Ndakatanga like ndiri kuchurch kudhara ndiri mudiki kuSunday school.
Which church was that?
Methodist. Yeah. Ndiri kuSunday school ndichiimba, then secondary ndakatoita choir yangu. So since ndikapira kufarira kupira ndiri mudiki, then mama wangu ndo vaindidzidzisa kuimba, vaiimbawo but havanawo kumborekodha, vaifarira zvokuimba, so ndo vakandi inspired ndifarire zvemusic. So ndakazojoina Star Bright in 2015. Yeah.
And how did you do it?
Ndakasvika takuda kutoenda kubootcamp, then ndaida kunyora exam. So
when you like music,
yeah,
I said, let me do my school.
Yes, so ndakabva ndaregedza kuenda kubootcamp, but ndakarwadziwa. Yeah, so Star Bright ndo yakaita kuti ndive neconfidence. Then ndakazotanga kurekodha. Pane this program yaitwa kuruwa rehab yainzi Focus on Ability. Then I met Donald.
Focus on Ability. I remember. There's this lady from Australia, Zimbabwe, but based in Australia, was doing that. Yes, I remember.
So I
think Ruth Passy.
Yes,
Ruth Passy.
Yes. So program hiyo ndiko ndikasangana na Donald. So
Donald
Ganyo, my manager.
Okay, your manager.
Yeah. So ndakaimba ku program hiyo. Ndo paakanzwa kuti nditogona kuimba. Then akauya kwandiri ndo panditi to record. So ndo pandikatanga kurecorda music. Ndakatanga kurecorda song yangu yainzi inonzi ndizvo zvandiri.
And making music and living with disability. What are some of the challenges that you face?
Okay, my challenges, you find kuti vanhu vanenge vakusatera music, vanenge vakutarisa disability yako. Inini handidonzwirwa tsitsi. Ndoda kuti vangondoonawo saMara Brown, saSelma Mtukudzi. So ndo machallenges andosangana nawo kuti vanenge vakunzwa tsitsi. Ndoona pamacomments emavideos angu vachitaura kuti ndabva ndanzwa tsitsi chichi, handidi izvozvo.
And how do you describe the music that you make? Music.
Okay. I think ndinonyanyotera Chioniso Maraini.
She's an inspiration.
Yes. So I think the music yangu kwainoendeko.
And what's your vision? Where do you want to take your music, or where do you want music to take you? 5 years, 10 years. Where do you see you?
Okay, I want to go far. I want to travel. I want to show that disability does not mean inability. Yes. Ndoda kutendera world yese ndichiratidza vanhu kuti I can.
And for somebody who's there, they see you playing music, playing Mbira and singing and stuff, and they've been like a bit hesitant. Those good areas, but I'm not going to tell them. What would you say to them? Because people are always scared to make the first step.
Ukangotanga watrya chete, wangoita zvaurikuda chete. The journey is easy. Iwe uchingotanga ukangorekodha, kushingirira ndokune unofanira kushingirira so that haufaniri kuzvidzikisira, especially isusu vari disabled. Haufaniri kuzvidzikisira kuti hatifaniri kunzwirwa tsitsi. Ngativaratidze vanhu kuti hatidi kunzwirwa tsitsi.
And as far as the music that you're making, right? How much music have you made, like in terms of your body of work? Do you have an album? Do you have a single? Singles only? Like, do you have an EP? Like, how much music have you made so far?
Okay, so far I released some songs, 3. And then I'm working on an album. Yeah, I think September, Shaita album. Yeah.
That is great. September, I've heard it. September is just now, and she's going to be dropping an album. Do you have a name for it?
Not yet.
But what can you expect on the album? Are there any collabos? Is there something that you have to definitely look for?
Yeah, my collabos. Yeah, Arkuya, about my collabos, I think, Akawanda. And pane new song yatinoda I think next week inonzi Ndakanyura. Ndakaita it's a collaboration yakaita anonzi Prince Dikapla and Tatenda Mangami. Inonzi Ndakanyura.
Great. Yeah. And the international stage, I know you mentioned you want to go far. How far do you see the international stage? Or how close do you see it?
Kana kuita makolabo nana Beyonce chayo. Yeah. I like Celine Dion. Yeah. Kana if given chance to do that collaboration with Celine Dion. Yeah.
That is great. Oh, I've been speaking there to Chipo. It's been awesome speaking to you. I would have wanted to continue so because you have such an amazing personality and the positivity, like you said, you don't want people to feel pity for you.
Yeah.
But you want to be appreciated, to be loved, and the love for your talent, which is amazing. But we would want to hear, a song. So stay tuned. We're going to hear Chipo perform a snippet of a song, and then we call it a day. And remember, where can people get to connect with you? Where can they find your music?
Okay, my Facebook page is Chipo Muchegwa. My YouTube channel Chipo Muchegwa. And my Instagram Talent Music.
Talent Music. Now you've heard it, Chipo Muchegwa, and Talent Music. These are all her accounts and handles: Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So stay tuned. We're gonna bring you a snippet performance, and then we'll continue.
Moyo wangu unoyera, moyo wangu unoyera, saso shungurudza moyo wangu unoyera, saso tambisa moyo wangu unoyera, moyo wangu unoyera, moyo wangu unoyera, saso shungurudza moyo wangu unoyera, saso tambisa moyo wangu unoyera. Vamudara mapfeka manyatera, marinzwi pise munemani. Vamudara mapfeka manyatera, marinzwi pise munemani. Ndomutevera mambo, ndomutevera Ishe, ndomutevera mambo, ndomutevera Ishe. Vamudara mapfeka manyatera, marinzwi pise munemani. Vamudara mapfeka manyatera, marinzwi